All right, ladies, can we take a moment for this beauty? This is OSSIE Blonde Highlight, one of the newest releases from JB Extensions, and honestly, she is giving effortless bombshell energy. OSSIE is a 22-inch long wavy synthetic wig with gorgeous dimensional blonde highlights and soft curtain bangs that frame the face beautifully. What really stands out is the 13 by 4 silky top, which creates a natural looking scalp effect. For a hard front wig, the realism is surprisingly impressive. Color blend is absolutely stunning. You get a beautiful combination of cool and warm blonde tones with deeper rooting, which adds that depth and makes the wig look so much more realistic. And the waves, you guys, they're so soft, loose, and glamorous without feeling overly styled. She has that lived-in beachy texture that looks effortless and absolutely feminine, perfect for summer. The cap includes adjustable straps, making it comfortable and secure for most heads. I love the Velcro. And let's talk about the price. This wig is only $57.70 Canadian. That is incredible value for a style this trendy and wearable. This is the kind of wig you just want to throw on when you want to look polished, put together, and maybe just a little extra fabulous. Whether you're dealing with hair loss, love changing your style, or simply want a gorgeous blonde look without that salon bill, OSSIE is definitely worth the look. Would you wear her? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, confidence at any age starts with feeling beautiful in your own